I cannot wait to show you this style change. Look at this long hair that we are chopping today into a short Eurohawk. Now, one of my most common questions is, how do you know where to start? So in this case, since it's really long and we're going super short on the sides, I'm going to get it wet and I'm going to create my angle where I want the clippers. Taking one of our tail combs and I'm going to part it out about at this angle. So when you do a Eurohawk, you're going to go short down here behind the ear. So before you cut, you want to get your angle so you know exactly where you're going. Now I can always do more, but you can't shave less. You know that, right? So you can see right here is my angle. See how it's just a diagonal line from about that temple down past his ear. This is where I'm going to take my clippers at a 1 guard. I've got that diagonal angle set. I've got this diagonal angle set.